Hello students, welcome to writing skill of English language. Our today's lesson is process writing. In my earlier class, I had told you how to write a paragraph. I have introduced you to paragraph writing, and I have told you what a paragraph is. In defining paragraph, I have told you that paragraph is a group of sentences relating to one topic, and paragraph writing means writing sentences and sentences in the correct grammatical order using all the points of grammar, for example preposition, article and tense. A paragraph may be a story writing, a biography, a process writing, a newspaper report, etc. In the paragraph writing section, today I am telling you how to write a process. For example, tea making, coffee making, rice making, etc. So our today's lesson is about how to prepare orange juice. So this is the question. Use the following flow chart to write a paragraph on how to prepare orange juice. How to prepare orange juice. So on this topic, this is the topic, how to prepare orange juice, and on this topic you have to write a paragraph. And for writing a paragraph, you need not memorize anything. In English language and in the writing section, students are discouraged from memorizing. Memorizing is not required. Students will be given certain points in the question paper, and they have to develop those points. And with the help of those points, they have to write a paragraph. So here is given certain points on how to prepare orange juice. For example, oranges bought from the market. This is the one point. Second point, sorted. Just these are hints. Rotten ones. Rotten ones means rotten oranges. Removed. Next point, cleaned. Next point, peeled. And then next point, put in juicer, juice extracted, sugar and preservatives added, poured in bottles, sealed, ready to be sold. So these are the points, and you have to write these points in a paragraph. Now count the points. How many points are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here are 11 points. So you have to write 10, 9 to 11 sentences. If you can write one sentence on this point, you can write one sentence on this point. So on each point you have to write one sentence. So you will have maximum of 11 or 9 to 12 sentences, and all these 12 sentences, when they are grouped, they become a paragraph, and that paragraph will be on how to prepare orange juice. Now before process writing, there are some tips which I am going to tell you how to write a process on a certain topic. So here are hints for process writing. First of all, you have to give a suitable title. You have to give a suitable title, and you can write the title from the question. So here is the question: how to prepare orange juice. So the topic of the paragraph is how to prepare orange juice. So this can be made as your title. So you can make the title how to prepare orange juice. preparation of orange juice. So this will be your title. Yeah, process of preparing orange juice or preparation of orange juice. So this will become your title. Next, when you are going to write process writing, which sentence you have to write? You have to write simple present tense. No present continuous tense, no present perfect tense, no present perfect continuous tense. So you have to write simple present tense. No past tense, because you are not writing a story, you are not writing a report, you are not writing about an accident, incident, event or life story of a great personality. So past tense is totally to be avoided. Future tense will also be avoided. So the tense that is required here is simple present tense. Now second thing is, you have to use passive voice, because in process writing subject is not needed to be mentioned. And what is the feature of a passive voice? The feature of a passive voice is that in the passive voice subject need not be mentioned. सब्जेक्ट को बताने की जरूरत नहीं होता है. तो जिस स्टूडेंट को पैसिव वॉइस और एक्टिव वॉइस नहीं मालूम है, वो मेरा वीडियो वॉइस के ऊपर दिया हुआ है, एक्टिव वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस के ऊपर, उसको पहले सीख ले. जो पैसिव वॉइस एक्टिव वॉइस नहीं जानता है, इसको कन्वर्ट करना, हाउ टू चेंज एक्टिव वॉइस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस और विस वर्सा, he will not be able to write this process writing. So before process writing you must learn how to convert active voice into passive voice or passive voice into active voice. So knowledge of voice is essential before process writing. Now third thing is, when you are writing a process, you have to use certain linkers. For example, when you start writing paragraph, you start with at first. When you start writing a paragraph, you start with linker at first. And when you are going to conclude your paragraph, you conclude your paragraph with the linker finally. And in between at first and finally, you may use some more linkers like then, next, after that, later, etc. So these are the linkers which are to be used in writing a process. So these are certain tips or hints for process writing. Now these are the points on the topic how to prepare orange juice. Now I am going to write the paragraph here. You note down these points on your exercise book so that it will be easy for you to see how the paragraph is being written here, because I am going to delete the points. So let's start with writing, process writing. Now I am going to write the paragraph on the board. So first of all, I shall give a suitable title here, and the title will be preparation of orange juice of our paragraph in question. So the first point is oranges bought from the market. So I shall write start at first oranges are bought from the market. Oranges are bought from the market. Now look here, this is the passive voice, are bought. In the passive voice we use helping verb first, then third form of the main verb, are bought, and this is in the simple present tense. At first oranges are bought from the market. So the first point, oranges bought from the market, I have developed it into this sentence. So this sentence is complete. You shall get 1 mark, think of it. Now our second point is sorted. next oranges are sorted. Next oranges are sorted. But look here, verbs are given here. You have to just supply the helping verb. So next oranges are sorted, and then rotten oranges are removed from the good oranges. So our third point is rotten ones removed. That means rotten oranges are removed. The verb is given in the text, removed, and you have to supply just are removed. Are removed from the good oranges. After that, cleaned. After that, the oranges are well cleaned with water. Are well cleaned with water. Are cleaned with water. You can supply extra words with water from your common sense. With water, naturally oranges will be cleaned with water to remove dirt which may remain attached on the surface of the oranges. So after that, the oranges are well cleaned with water. The next point is peel. Then they are peeled. Peel means to remove the hard skin of the oranges. Then they are peeled. You may supply word with a knife. With a knife. You can add with a knife. Then the next point is put in juicer. Then they are peeled with a knife. After that, the oranges are put in juicer. Put in a juicer. Juicer is a machine which extracts juice from fruits. After that, the oranges are put, look here, are put in a juicer, and it is switched on. If the juicer run with electricity, then it will have to be switched on, and it is switched on, and juice is extracted. Okay, if a juicer is runs on electricity, it will have to be switched on, and juicer is extracted. Now after extraction of juice, sugar and preservatives added. When juice is extracted in a container, juice is extracted. You may write here juice extracted in a container. Container, it may be glass, it may be a big bowl, anything may be, and juice is extracted in a container. Then sugar and preservatives are added to it. So here are added. You can see that in the points verbs are given. You are just supplying a helping verb. So sugar and preservatives are added. Then the juice is poured, P-O-U-R-E, poured into bottles. Then the juice is poured into bottles. And finally they are sealed. And finally they are sealed. And finally they are sealed. That means bottles are finally sealed. And our last point is ready to be sold. Now the bottles are ready to be sold in the market. Now this is the paragraph on how to prepare orange juice or preparation of orange juice. So you have seen how these points are developed into a paragraph. 90% words are given here. You have to just supply 10% of words. So look, I have added linkers here. Add first, next, then, after that, then, after that, then after that it may be repeated. Then finally, when the last step, when the last process is mentioned, you add finally, because this is the last step of preparing orange juice. So you may write here finally. Finally they are sealed. Now the bottles are ready to be sold. So what do you see? You see that writing a process, you have to write linkers, and you have to use present tense, and you have to use passive voice. So this is all about writing a process. I hope you have understood it quite well. Now keep practice on writing process, and the more you write, the more you will be able to write good and well. Thank you very much.